I'm going to teach you how to do division with remainders using equal grouping and base 10 blocks. For the question 51 divided by 4, I'm taking a look at the total number that I have, which is 51. The first thing I do is I show 51 using base 10 blocks. Next, I need to think about my groups. The second number in your division for equal groups tell you how many groups you need. So for 51 divided by 4, I need 4 groups. I'm representing my groups using circles. The next thing I'm going to do is I want to take 51 and I want to divide it equally into the groups so that every group has the same number of that 51. So so every group has the same number of base 10 blocks. So I'm going to start with the 10s. I'm going to put 1 10 in every group. After I put 1 10 in every group, I have 1 10 left over. If I take this 10 and put it into one of the groups, they will no longer be equal. So I can't use this 10. Instead, I need to take this 10 and I need to exchange it for 10 ones. That's what I'm doing right now. Now that I have exchanged 1 10 for 10 ones, I have 11 ones in total. I'm going to take these 11 ones and I'm going to divide them equally into the 4 groups. So once again, I'm going to put 1 in every group and I'm going to keep doing this until I can't anymore. So every group now has 2 ones. I'm left with 3 ones. If I take these 3 ones and I try to put them into the equal groups, I'm going to have one group that only has 2 ones, which makes the groups unequal. So those 3 ones, I actually can't use them. I'm going to take them back out because they should never have been in my equal groups in the first place. These 3 ones are leftovers. They are my remainders. So now that I have divided the base 10 blocks into equal groups and shown that there are 3 remainders that can't fit in the equal groups, I'm ready to solve the question. For 51 divided by 4, the number in each group is the answer. So however many base 10 blocks I have in each group is the answer. In the base 10 blocks, in the groups, I have 12 base 10 blocks. So 51 divided by 4 is equal to 12. And also I need to show the remainders. So there are 3 leftovers that don't fit into the equal groups. I show that as R3, which means there are 3 remainders. 51 divided by 4 is equal to 12 with 3 remainders.